2010 Ferrari 458 Italia. 2010 Ferrari 458 Italia. 1978 to 1986 Audi 5000. Smart Fortwo. Smart Fortwo. 2009 Honda Fit. 2014 Porsche 911 GT3. Chevrolet Colorado / GMC Canyon. 2007 Brilliance BS6. Yugo. Suzuki Samurai. 1984 Pontiac Fiero. 1984 Pontiac Fiero. 1960 to 1963 Chevrolet Corvair. 1984 to 1990 Bronco II. 2007 Chevrolet Cobalt Sedan. The Cobalt was the best-known car in a massive recall in 2014. The fault lay with a bad ignition switch that could randomly shut off while driving. The result was a complete loss of engine, power steering, power brakes, and compounding it all, airbags. Ford Pinto. Ford Pinto.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.